This video we learn how to check the part will be turned out when we run an operation in the Mastercam, and we compare it with the 3D model and how torrent it will be turned out. And we have operation run the horizontal area flat over here with the yellow color like this. We would like to check with the 3D model. 3D model we leave the semi finish 10,000 before, and we need to check maximum is 10,000, and we check about 5,000 to max, and this we check 1,000 to 5, and this we check a half thousand to 1, and we check about 0 to half, and we check a half to 0, and we check the -1 to -a half, and smaller than that. And before we check, we click the show model and we compare, and it will be compare generated again, and it show the color what we need over here, and we got the color at the area we run right now is the yellow and almost yellow. The brown one over here, that is the part, and it's within a 0 torrent 0. That's what we need to check after we run operation.